Imagine hosting a summer barbecue, your guests laughing, drinks in hand, but the ice runs out just as the party heats up. Frustrating, right? The Euhomy Ice Cube Maker Machine Countertop solves this problem with style and efficiency, delivering 24 crystal-clear ice cubes in just 13 minutes. Whether you're chilling drinks at home, stocking a bar, or keeping an office hydrated, this portable, self-cleaning ice maker is a game-changer. In this review, we'll dive into why the Euhomy Ice Cube Maker is a must-have, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's perfect for your lifestyle. Let's uncover how this compact powerhouse can elevate your daily refreshment game, solving your ice-making woes. No more scrambling to buy bags of ice or dealing with slow, clunky freezer trays. The Euhomy Ice Cube Maker tackles common ice-related frustrations head-on. No more ice shortages. Produces up to 45 pounds of ice daily, ensuring you never run out, even during large gatherings. Time-saving convenience. Forget waiting hours for ice to freeze. This machine delivers 24 cubes every 12 to 18 minutes, perfect for spontaneous parties or quick drink fixes. Hassle-free maintenance. The automatic self-cleaning function eliminates the tedious task of manual cleaning, saving you time and effort. Why the Euhomy Ice Cube Maker stands out. The Euhomy Ice Cube Maker isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Here's a deep dive into its standout features and why they matter. Rapid ice production. With a cycle time of 12 to 18 minutes, this machine churns out 24 crystal-clear ice cubes, equating to 45 pounds daily. Whether you're hosting a cocktail party or need ice for your morning smoothie, the Euhomy delivers fast, reliable results. No more last-minute trips to the store. Dual water input options. Flexibility is key. The 3.2-liter water reservoir minimizes refills, and you can also use buckets smaller than 2 inches in diameter for quick top-ups. This dual system ensures uninterrupted ice production, even during extended use. Customizable ice cubes. Adjust the thickness of your ice cubes to suit your drink preferences. Whether you want thin cubes for quick chilling or thicker ones for long-lasting cocktails, this machine gives you control. Self-cleaning feature. Press the timer button for 5 seconds, and the machine cleans itself, ensuring your ice is always fresh and free of impurities. This feature is a lifesaver for busy households or offices where time is precious. User-friendly LCD display. The intuitive digital interface makes operation a breeze. Clear indicators alert you when the water tank needs refilling or the ice basket is full, so you're never caught off guard. Quiet operation. At just 45 decibels, this ice maker is quieter than a typical conversation, making it ideal for home, office, or bar settings. Even your pets won't be disturbed. Food-safe materials. Crafted with food-safe, anti-corrosion materials, you can trust that your ice is clean and safe for consumption. Energy and cost-efficient. Save money by skipping convenience store ice runs. The Euhomy Ice Cube Maker is Energy Star certified, meaning it's eco-friendly and won't spike your electricity bill. Benefits that make a difference. The Euhomy Ice Cube Maker isn't just about producing ice. It's about enhancing your lifestyle. Here are the top benefits. Unmatched convenience. With rapid ice production and a self-cleaning function, this machine saves you time and effort, letting you focus on enjoying your drinks or hosting guests. Versatile for any setting. Its portable, compact design makes it perfect for home kitchens, offices, bars, or even camping trips. Take it anywhere you need refreshing ice. Cost-effective refreshment. By producing high-quality ice at home, you'll cut down on store-bought ice expenses, saving money while enjoying premium drinks. Who is this ice maker for? The Euhomy Ice Cube Maker is perfect for home entertainers. If you love hosting parties, barbecues, or family gatherings, this ice maker ensures you're always prepared with a steady supply of ice. Office managers. Keep employees and clients refreshed with ice-cold drinks without the hassle of bulky ice machines or frequent store runs. Bar owners. Small bars or restaurants benefit from the high output and customizable ice cubes, perfect for crafting premium cocktails. Outdoor enthusiasts. Its portability makes it ideal for RV camping, picnics, or beach trips, ensuring cold drinks wherever you go. Busy families. For households with high ice demands, this machine keeps up with kids, teens, and adults who love chilled beverages. Real-world performance. What users are saying. Users rave about the Euhomy ice cube maker's speed and ease of use. One customer shared, "This machine is a lifesaver for our summer pool parties. It pumps out ice so fast, and the cubes are crystal clear, perfect for cocktails." Another noted, "The self-cleaning feature is a game changer. I don't have time to scrub appliances, and this makes maintenance effortless." While some mention the ice basket's 2.6-pound capacity requires frequent emptying during large events, transferring ice to a freezer solves this minor issue. Overall, the consensus is clear. This ice maker delivers on its promises. Make every drink refreshing with Euhomy. The Euhomy Ice Cube Maker Machine Countertop is more than an appliance. It's a ticket to effortless, high-quality ice production. Whether you're sipping a chilled soda, crafting a cocktail, or keeping your office hydrated, this machine delivers. Its rapid ice making, self-cleaning feature, and portable design make it a top choice. Don't let ice shortages ruin your next event. Upgrade your refreshment game today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.